All right, Tu Tu Tun Lodge in Oregon. It's just north of the Oregon-California border. So we flew in from Eureka Airport, and from there it's about between 2.5 to 3 hour drive, depending on how leisurely you go. Um, the nearest town from the lodge is Gold Beach. I guess it was during the gold rush where there's a lot of miners and speculators and whatnot that were here. So Tu Tu Tun Lodge, it's a very nice kind of country style place where you can be one with nature. And so we've rented out what they call a river house. They call it the river house. It's 2 bedroom. This is the main living area. Before we go to the bedroom and the view, it is a full kitchen, a dining area, as you can see here. So what we'll do is we'll come around this way. So this is a standalone cabin, as you can see. There are regular rooms in the main building area, which are smaller, but probably no less comfortable. I don't know, since this is all we're staying in. Anyway, so you can see this is the Rogue River right here, and so it goes inland, or actually comes from inland towards the Pacific Ocean. Very beautiful scenery. So this is a 2 bedroom house. So this is the first bedroom. Very comfortable king-size bed. Quite stylish. Good sense of place at the same time. With all the modern amenities, TV. There's a deck over here. And chill out. And over here, this is the bathroom. There's 2 bathrooms. This is a combo bath and tub, a shower tub. So I think this is not the master bedroom. So let's go turn around and walk through the living room to the other bedroom. Another view. Let's come around this way again. A nice dining table, comfortable living area, the fireplace. It's very nicely furnished, tastefully adorned and decorated. There's a TV up there. You can see there's a pretty deck here. And we can take a look at it later. But so really a family could really hang out and have a good time here, or friends. So this is the, I don't know, I guess the bedroom is about the same size. So I guess people won't have to fight for which room's better. Smaller TV up there. Another private deck, no view. Art of the area around here. Map of the world. And so this must be the master because there's dual sinks and vanity. And a walk-in shower, but again, the other one has a tub. So again, it depends on what you're looking for. And then they even have a laundry area. Nice, hello. Back here. Yep, the master bathroom. So we were kind of thinking maybe it's a little too rustic for us, but it's not. You can see it's very, I wouldn't say it's modern, but it's not worn down. Looks well maintained. They do have, you know, air conditioning and heating, which is kind of necessary. So let's walk outside and take a look at what's in front of this room. Right, we walk out here. Open this up. So this is the same view from the living area. I guess that is a bench area for us. Little bamboo grove. Gives it privacy from the other parts of the property. And so yeah, this is the Rogue River. What's also nice is that there's a dock. I don't know if you can see it, just to the right of the trees closest to us along the river. And so what we're going to do tomorrow is we've chartered a boat with Jerry's Rogue Jets, which has exclusive rights to navigate deep into the inland on the river. And rather than drive 20 minutes to their boarding area along the Pacific Ocean, they'll just come straight here, wait for us at the dock at a predetermined time. So saves us time. It's kind of early in the morning, so it gives us a chance to have breakfast. Anyway, so Tu Tu Tun Lodge. If you want to kind of have some comfort, luxury, and adventure at the same time in this part of the Pacific Northwest, yeah, it looks like it might be a place we can recommend. We'll find out soon enough. You drive about an hour south towards the border. There's some awesome hiking trails with redwood groves. There's also a lot of hiking trails in this area. Anyways, that's what we're going to do. Go on a boat, and then the next day we'll be hiking and enjoying the redwood groves that are not in the area, but it's a little bit of a drive. But hey, U.S. is a big country, so hope you enjoyed Tu Tu Tun Lodge River House.